Mobile phone physically testing. In this lecture, we are going to study how to do a mobile phone physical testing. What is physical testing? Physical testing expertise includes key physical property characteristics for a wide range of materials. There are many challenges in mobile application testing. Mobile physical testing includes verification and validation of hardware devices and software applications. Mobile application testing is a process by which a developed application of a mobile device is tested for usability. Mobile application development totally depends on their testing service. Now we are going to look at the different points of physical testing. First, durability test. To test whether mobile phones will be able to survive the harsh condition, each of the keys are pressed over 5 lakh times. Varying kinds of pressures are applied while pressing some particular keys. Second, let it drip wet. Water physical testing is done to ensure that your mobile works well if it gets wet in the rain and able to make calls. These mobiles are kept below needle-shaped drippers and showered for over 3 minutes. If they are fine and working, it passes the test. Third, heat the mobile phone then freeze it. Mobile phone testing is done in such a way that you can use it in a humid areas like warm deserts. They are tested in condition with 95% humidity and frozen to temperature up to minus 20 degrees Celsius and heated up to 50 degrees Celsius. So they should work fine once taken out. Fourth, Newton's law of gravity. Mobile phones like Nokia set are dropped from a height of 1.5 m onto a rough concrete floor twice on each face. The idea is of the phone falling from your shirt pocket onto the ground. It covers the battery and may slip out, but it should work fine once it reinserted. Plug in then and plug out. Chargers are plugged in and plugged out thousands of times by human hands to see if the pin is strong enough. Over 40 Newton meter force is applied on the mobile phone to see if it breaks. Moreover, mobiles are rubbed over and over again on trousers to see the wear and tear caused by putting phones in trousers and pocket and taking out. Smartphone physical testing. Before understand the physical testing on smartphone, first we should know what are smartphones. A smartphone is a mobile phone with more advanced computing capability and connectivity than basic features phone. Smartphone perform many of the functions of a computer, typically having a touchscreen, internet access and an operating system capable of running download apps. Let us understand the physical testing on smartphones. Liquid damage. Examine the small white rectangular LDI, that is, liquid damage indicator on the battery, and it may appear solid. If a solid white LDI shows any red at all, or if the previously distinct red pattern appears active, smartphone may have come in contact with liquid, directly or indirectly. This could appear a problem of splashing. Temper seal. Verify that the temper seal of the smartphone is not broken. The location, size, color and number of the temper seals varies by smartphone. Smartphone temper seal are circular. Any attempt to remove the temper seals result in visible damage to the seal. A broken temper seal generally indicates that the smartphone has been disassembled. An unbroken temper seal does not mean the smartphone was not disassembled. The person who reassembled the smartphone could have placed a temper seal onto the correct location. Touchscreen physical testing. Before using a touchscreen app on your Android touchscreen, clean the display by using a soft cotton cloth. Open the screen testing app and then test the screen by touching. The app then show you what areas of the screen are registering your touch and how accurate it is. An app that support multi-touch like multi-touch test can also tell you how many simultaneous finger touch your Android device support at one time. Components of touchpad physical testing, that is LCD screen, spacer, rigid substrate and plastic film. Thank you.